Hey little kids, today I am going to learn you how to draw a very cute and beautiful flowers, and I will show you how to draw very cute butterfly. So let's see how I draw and try with me. Here I am using the light blue and purple color for the cute butterflies. Here I am using the light green color for the bow and the deep green color for the leaf. Now I am using the pink color for this flower. I am using the orange color for flower bud. Now I am using the red color for this beautiful big size flower. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.